Hello. We decided we would try and collect the water that comes from our gutters off the studio. We bought one of these plastic containers. It's recycled, so it comes from recycled plastic. This barrel is particularly good because the tap that comes on the bottom screws in easily and the lid comes off so that you can get into the barrel easily without having to fiddle about with the top. You can actually get into it reasonably easily. These types of barrels are supplied with water from these pipes, which are attached to the downpipe from the gutter, and this diverts the water into the barrel. We were sufficiently impressed with the other barrel that we bought a new barrel, a bigger one, to go on the back of the studio. This one is also recyclable plastic. It comes inside with the stand, which is made of 3 different pieces of plastic that simply put together like that. And then all we've got to do is to put the barrel on top of there and we're ready to go. It's made of recycled plastic, and the manufacturers have thought of this in quite a lot of detail. This barrel is big enough for a small child to climb inside and drown, so they've thought about this and decided to produce a lid that fits quite snugly on top and has a clip, as you can see here, which will stop the lid coming off and stop the child getting inside. It's a simple thing to install because on either side you have a plug here, and what we'll do when we put it into place is to connect this pipe and put it into the side there on a junction that's already supplied, and that will be attached in the downpipe to one of these traps. So basically all we've got to do is to put the pipe on that side there, and inside that will go inside the downpipe, and the water will collect inside until it reaches a critical height, and then it will continue to flow down the pipe and out onto the ground. The benefit of using a barrel that's been thought out beforehand is that you can screw in the tap to the bottom here. We'll simply undo that plug there and screw that plug in there, and because it's raised we can then get a watering can or attach a hose to it and run it away to the greenhouse or wherever we want the water. So in conclusion, we've now got ourselves 2 barrels which are built of recycled plastic. It will enable us to catch water from the rain that falls on the studio. It will enable us to use that to water the plants that we're growing, and enables us to sustain the resources that are available to us. Thank you for listening, and hope to see you again in the future.